Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. So today we are going to discuss that what is Amazon store and how we can create our Amazon store and what are the requirements. Let me show you first that how Amazon store look like. If we go to Amazon buyer account and we search any product on Amazon, like for example mobile phone cases, it's my favorite. So a lot of parts are appearing here. If we click on this product, for example, let's see if they have the brand registry and if they have the store. They do not have the store, because if they would have the store, it will show here that it will not return here brand, it will return here store. So let's check some other listing or other seller who already have the store, so it will be very easy for you to understand. For example, we proceed with this listing. Let's check. Okay, this person also do not have the store. Listing product and having store are two different things, keep in mind. Okay, let's check this seller. See, this person have the store, Amazon store. It's not written here the brand name, it's written here visit this store. So if we click on it, Amazon will give us the second page, and this is the store, how it looked like. Listing product is a different thing, having a store is a different thing. First you will list your product on Amazon, and then you will create a store with Amazon. Means that you will show all of your listings in this store, and this seller listed a lot of products in his store. All of these parts belongs to this seller only. So keep in mind, to create your store on Amazon, first you will need to list your product on Amazon, and definitely this is the best way to get more and more sales on Amazon. Do not forget to do it. But definitely this also have some requirements. You must have brand registry with Amazon to create this store. So let's proceed to the page that how to create a store like this. I think now it's clear that what is the Amazon store. So let's move to Amazon Seller Central, and if you have the brand registry, definitely I have the brand registry. You will go to the menu, and then you will see here at the tab of stores. You will click on manage store, and if you do not have the your brand registered with Amazon, then you will click on register your brand. Because I already have the brand registry with Amazon, so I will just click on edit store, because I'm already in process. I am just working on my store. But if I will not have started my working, it will show here create your store. So I can just click on edit store. Here this page appear. Amazon give us two options, the mobile view and the desktop view. Always work with the desktop view, because it's better to set up the dimensions. So from here you can create the new page. For example, I have set up already a lot of pages here. You can just add page from here, and you can just give the page name. For example, we give it Gunani Studio. Okay, and some description about this. I can just write it is product related to women, for example. And then I will just select the template. This is the sample template, and this is the sample template. I want to proceed, for example, with this template. I will click on it, and then I will click on create page. Also, you can select the blank template and mark your template. You can if you want to create the page according to your needs, then you can just click on blank and you can just add the templates. So let's proceed with blank. Oh, with highlighted. Create page. Amazon will create this page in few seconds. Here it is. You will click on here, Gunani Studio, and this is the page. And this is the header. This will be always same for all pages. And now I have to edit this page. This is a sample page that we have selected. Here I have to add the details, product details here. Here I have to add the tiles. I can upload here the image of the product, multiple images, and text of the product, image about the text, and also I can add here the image with text. And shoppable image means that I will just copy the ASIN of the part and I will paste it here, and Amazon will grab that part with the ASIN. So this is the way that how you create your store. This is very simple, so I will not tell you that how to do a very simple step. So this is very simple. I just told you how to create the one page. You can do all others by yourself. If you will need any help or if you feel any difficulty during the process, you can just ask me. This is very simple to create the store. The difficult thing is to list the part. I have explained well that how to list the parts on Amazon. So when your part will be listed, then you can create a good store, a good looking store. And when you will done with the store, then you will just click on submit for publishing, and Amazon will definitely analyze your store that you have created. If they will pass your store, then your store will be live in 48 hours and sometime in 72 hours. So do not need to worry about it. If you have any question related to this, do not hesitate to ask. The second thing that I have to tell you is that how to contact Amazon store support. So you just have to, and you have to click on Support Center. From this page you can contact Amazon brand support team. So keep in mind, when you are going to work on your Amazon store or on A+ content, you have to reach out Amazon support from this page. Do not open a case manually, just proceed from here. So this was the important thing that I wanted to discuss with you. If you have any question related to Amazon store, do not hesitate to ask. I always welcome your all questions. Thank you so much. Do not forget to follow me. It's Dragon E-commerce CEO Ali Haider. Thank you.